English Language Teachers Association of India, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar chapter, in collaboration with Vivekananda College, organized lecture series, Critical Conversations, Language, Literature and Society. Professor Dr. Mustajeeb Khan shared views on reading drama, and Professor Dr. Ajay Deshmukh inspired the participants with talk on reading films. Dr. Naneshwar Suryamushi, Dr. Ashwin Ranjanikar, President, English Language Teachers Association of India, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar chapter were present on the dais. Dr. Ashwin Ranjanikar gave the introductory remarks and also shared the upcoming events of ELTAI Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar chapter.
Actually, reading the drama means finding out the meaning hidden between the two lines. And reading drama is not a very simple task. Because reading drama always forces you to find out the words which makes you move towards action. What kind of action is going to happen? Because without action and without the kind of conflict that is being projected by the playwright, because actually drama carries meaning at three levels. One level, and that's why it is called as a play. Drama is not performed, drama is played. खेला जाता है, नाटक खेलते हैं, नाटक सादर नाही. मराठीत थोडा चुकीचा शब्द वापरतो. नाटक सादर केलं नाही, नाटक खेळावं लागतं. And that's why later on we even call drama is called playwright. Because drama is to play. How to play? It is played at three levels. One, when the dramatist is writing that drama, he is having certain meaning, certain understanding about that drama, and he is using that kind of words, developing that kind of characters, and creating a kind of impact that what this character will carry out throughout the drama is his first motive, and that's how he created the whole world within that limited words and limited time span. The second thing, when it is handed over to the actor to perform on the stage, the actor is receiving those words, getting those words, and trying to deliver those words according to his perception. He is not delivering the words as per the perception of the playwright. Please understand. Because when you see, I have seen that drama which makes me to think a lot about it. A performance done by Nasiruddin Shah and Benjamin Gilani of Waiting for Godot. The Nasiruddin Shah performing Vladimir and Benjamin Gilani performing the role of Istregov. And second performance I have seen of Atul Pethe performing Vladimir, and one of his, I'm forgetting the name of the other actor, he is performing Istregov. And the third is available on YouTube as a film, Waiting for Godot. Now, if you see the three different performances, you will find a lot of different kind of meanings coming out. That is possible. Again, I said at the beginning that is possible when you are saying, when you are talking that it is in the form of performance, you can find it out. But when I'm trying to read all those things, I'm not able to get it or not. Because the second meaning is given by the actor, and the third meaning is collected by the audience. The audience is not catching the same thing as the playwright has. Whatever he is writing the play, something is in his mind. That I think something like this, that this should be like this. But when it's going in the hands of the actor is changing it totally. And then when it's reaching to the audience is getting some other meaning out of it. And that's why the audience is having its own perception, its own understanding. That okay, this is what it means by. So when Waiting for Godot was performed in front of audience first time in France, the audience will get out of the theatre after 10 minutes. And critics wrote that it was the worst performance. How can we call it as a drama? But when the same drama performed in Quintin jail, USA, and there was a history of that jail that anything he performed in front of those prisoners, they used to throw tomatoes and they used to throw the stones. They used to root out the whole performance. So nobody was there to perform anything in front of those prisoners. So they asked Samuel Beckett, can you present that drama there? So Beckett had a plan to present that drama, and he presented that drama in front of those prisoners, and all the prisoners were crying at the end of it.
Then we appreciate Appreciate in the sense we give feedback, whether it is good or bad. Then after giving appreciation, actually you are trying to understand and analyze that from different perspective. So there comes critical faculty. So when you read something, you analyze that after what we can say first reading or after first watching of a film or a reading of a novel. You give some judgments. But if you really want to know something about it, you read it, you rewatch that, and then you're putting your critical faculties at work, and then you're analyzing that. So that is conscious reading that we indulge in, and then we give our opinions. Okay. In today's age, we have paid reviews, right? So even films which are severely flopped are given high ratings. Even and that's why we often say that don't judge a book by its cover. You have to amalgamate that, read it, digest it, and then say whatever you want to say. Recently, I think I have shared this experience in previous talk also. Gitanjali Shri's Tomb of Sacred Samadhi, which has been awarded and acclaimed internationally, the book Red Samadhi Tomb of Sand.